I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Everest Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select Zagomail. Give here a public API key. Please visit Zagomail API token. Generate new keys. Save it. Copy the public API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Zagomail site and navigate to the lists. Then click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data came successfully to the Zagomail site. Thanks for watching.